Hi Cyril! Happy birthday! We're so happy na we're celebrating you today. Everyone here is praying for you and we're also proud of you.
Cyril, our greatest wish is that Lord bless you with good health, strength, and future as bright as your spirit.
Happy birthday, Cyril!
Happy birthday, Sai! I'm very happy na nakilala kita at dumating ka sa buhay na sobrang bait po ni Cyril. To the point na kapag nagalit siya, natatakot talaga kami.
Hindi ko na alam kung anong patutungo.
Honor your father and your mother so that you will live long
Na itong
in this land that God has given you.
Sana naman ay mapagbigyan at mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso kong sa'yo. Sana naman mapagbigyan.
3 years na magkakilala na tayo. Marami tayong naranasan. Basta, palagi ako nandito para sa'yo. Sana mas madami pa po yung memories na magawa namin. Ngayon na 18 ka na.
Happy birthday, Cyril! Hi Cyril, happy birthday. Always remember na I'm always here for you. Kami ni Ate Danica. Please know na I'm super proud of you. And I know you will excel sa lahat ng gagawin mo sa life. So, huwag ka mag-overthink.
Ang galing-galing ng batang ko, sobrang responsable. Basta na, stay grounded, yung faith kay Lord, lagi. Yan ang importante. And yung studies, kaya mo yan. Okay? Kaya na yan.
Grabe no, it's been 18 years since I ever met this person. Every day na you think that the world is, too pressuring on you, too much expectation. I just want you to be you.
Di ko maiwasan pagmasdan ang iyong larawan. Kahit di mo mamalayan, ikaw lang ang
Thank you for being a good person to me. And I wish you learn things until you grow up.
Always remember to pray, whether you're sad, happy, or unsure. Always remember that God is always with you and we are also here with you. And yun, happy birthday, Cyril.
Happy birthday, Cyril!
Let us all welcome Cyril Andrea Kalama!
di mo mamalayan. Ikaw lang ang gustong tignan. Di ko man masabi kahit na di maaari.
We're so proud of everything you achieved so far, and when you're going to do amazing things in this next journey of your life. Happy birthday, our bunso. Papa and Mama love you more than words ever say.